Apollo IE though, that thing. Look at that. Those exhaust tips. We're gonna see these things leaving later too, which is the best part. Got a Zonda. And we got a Veyron Super Sport. And we got a La Ferrari.
Better do the laundry for that kind of money, right?
These cars are insane. Oh my god. Look at that Ferrari logo too. That's cool. It's like gray. And the Veyron's got the silver vents. And they got another Pagani. And then up there we have another Pagani. I've seen this Pagani once. Look at this event though, I swear. We got the Rimac Nevera.
Was that at the castle?
Look at the enormity of this wing. Like, the thing is huge. Then we got some Tamasos. And that interior. Oh, the interior is open, so we can go check that out. Tamasos. These things are cool.
Well, you have to keep things simple. It's
Check
okay,
that out.
When you do this, it's...
Got another Tamaso here. You got the spiker turning on. We got a Rolls Royce, some more Paganis. This band is kind of insane, yeah. We got a Roadster BC. And then recently, a few minutes ago, we did not get it on video, but a Pagani also drove by on the road.